Hey, how you doing, everybody? It's Chad from Moots KL. Hey, I just wanted to share with you today a new piece of equipment, a new piece of gear that I recently got. So in the past, I didn't really have a good air up, air down system. I didn't really have onboard air or anything like that. So recently, I purchased an ARB kind of compressor in a bag, and then now I needed a good way to air it down. So once again, in the past, all I did to air it down was use my pressure gauge. Well, let's be honest. It takes a long time to air down. Plus, you just don't end up doing it every time you'd like to because you don't have a good way to air up. You don't have a good way to air down. So instead of getting that smooth ride whenever you'd like to, you just go, well, I think I can make this just fine. So today what I want to share with you is I recently purchased the Boulder Tools Rapid Tire Deflator. So I'm excited to, to take a look at this, see what's in here, check out what's in the box, and just see how well it works. I kind of went back and forth on what I wanted to buy for this, for airing down. This is what I ended up going with, and I'm excited to use it. So first we're gonna take a look and see what's in the box, and then after that we'll take it out and we'll test it out. We'll see how easy it is to use or how hard it is to use and how fast you can air down. All right, let's take a look and see what's in here. All right, so here it is, the box, all that good stuff. So I bought this on Amazon, and at the end of the video, if you're interested in this, I'll put a link to it in the description below. So this ended up being $29 on Amazon. Like I said, Boulder Tools, heavy duty tire deflator, off-road pro pack. So yeah, let's break into it.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio.
So to start with, we got this nice carry case. I like that. Let's see. We've got some extra pieces here. Some extra caps, stems. So we'll sort through that. Inside the bag, looking at, there's your main product. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's a little rubbery outer deal. I like that feel. So easy to grip. I'm gonna have to play with this. I've never used one, so I have to figure out exactly how it works. I know it pulls the valve stem to the package or the carrying bag. Pretty nice quality. I like it. Then we've got our thank you for choosing Boulder Tools. There we go. Little how to use, 8-step little process there. All right. Well, I'm excited to check this out. Let's go see how this thing works. Wait. Oh, that one hurt. All right. Well, that's good. All right. You feel better? I'm good. Are you ready for me to talk? See? All right, so we're gonna test out this Boulder Tools Rapid Tire Deflator. So pretty excited to see how well it works. We'll see. But no matter what, it's got to work better than my other options. What I've been using in the past. So there it is. Love the little case. Let's see what happens. Here we go. I got my handy dandy instructions because this is the first time I've used it, like I said earlier. Thank you, little assistant. So first thing we're going to do is remove the cap, obviously. So we got the cap off. We got that section pulled out. Screw it on all the way. Okay, push that forward. Push this in till you feel it. Then there, we're on it. Go counterclockwise. And pull it out, slide out. Woo, there we go. So
That was a lot.
there you can see, well, we've
Now
already
I can
dropped.
even smell it.
I know, we've already dropped 4 psi there. So there's that. We're gonna go down to 18.
That's wow.
It is loud. It's fast.
Super loud.
That's 20. $18. All right, now put the stem back in. You just push that in. There. Now turn it clockwise. It says don't over tighten. So there we go. All right, now take that off. Cap on. Boom. Man, that's so much faster. I dig this thing. All right, so first impressions. I thought it worked extremely well. Once you read the instructions and you do it once, it's pretty simple. First impressions, I love it. I mean, I'm going from, airing down with a tire gauge, so this is so much better. So I know I am definitely a lot more likely to air down whenever I hit a trail now, because it's just simple. It's fast, easy. The speed is important, just because whenever you get to a trail, what are you doing, man? You're laying on me. The speed is important for airing down, obviously, because when you get to the trail, you just want to get started. So if you can air down fast, you're definitely a lot more likely to air down, right? I mean, I'd say with this, I'm definitely more likely to air down whenever I hit a trail. Sometimes I just wouldn't air down because it took forever with the tire gauge. I like this. I know some people are concerned with the fact that you're pulling your valve stem out with it, but I really didn't notice that there was a lot of danger of losing it. I don't know, it seemed like it's pretty well enclosed, so not too concerned. So I think this costs like 25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. Check it out. I don't know. So hey, if you got any questions, any comments about it, go ahead and leave those questions in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have on this or anything else. Anything I can answer, I'm more than happy to. Where are you going? You got your part coming up. All right, come here, Owen. What are you going to tell them? What do the people out in YouTube land need to do if they like the channel?
Click the thumbs up.
Well, if they like the video, click the thumbs up. If they like the channel, what do? They hit that one button. The red one.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
So they should subscribe if they like the channel. If they like the video, like you said, hit the thumbs up. What if they don't like the video so much?
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down. Let us know if you don't like the video. But also, if you want to know whenever the next video is uploaded, there's that one other button you can click.
The bell.
The bell. Click the bell. All right. Well, we're out of here. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye, YouTube. We'll see you in the next one.